Hello students. So today the three columns we are going to check for bestimmt article, that is the definite article, nominative, accusative und dative. As you can see in the margin, I have mentioned male, female, neutral, plural. Try to learn this format and if possible on the regular basis keep a habit of writing the formulas. Whenever you are free, whenever you get 10 minutes time while watching TV, you can write the formula. Yeah, keep a habit so that it registers in your mind. Nominative, accusative, dative, there the, thus the, then the, thus the. If you see in these two columns, only one thing is changing. What is that one thing? Then. Only this part is changing. So it is easy to memorize these two columns. It is exactly the same. The spellings are exactly same. Only in male, instead of R, you have to write N for number. In the third column, dative, this year you have to take a bit effort of learning it. But students, only 4 words are there. I don't think so that will be that difficult to learn it. Them, there, them, then. So for male and neutral, same article. For female, there. For plural, then, and for number. And also, we are supposed to add one more important concept. After writing the article for dative plural to the noun, it is very important to add N at the end. Yeah. Now, one by one, we'll check out. First one, that is nominative concept. We are going to try some examples. As you can see, I have written some meanings. Subject, direct object, indirect object. Subject means the one who does action. Direct object means on whom we are doing action. Indirect is normally the receiver of that object. We'll see one at a time. This chart is supposed to be used in the exercise below. Let's see first this side. Nominative meaning is doer, that is a subject. It has two meanings actually. So I have given you examples of both the meanings. So let's see first doer. In this 5 sentence, you can see because we are going to write the article for the nouns, so I have given you blank before the nouns. Articles are the best friends of nouns, students. Always remember this. So before the noun, if you see a blank, don't forget to mention article according to the gender and the cases. Cases means nominative, accusative, dative. Now, whenever you are writing article over here, gender is important, I know, but case is also important because you all have 3 columns: nominative, accusative, dative. So from which column to write the answer is also important. Yeah. So here in all this sentence, the nouns are doing action. The noun is doing action of playing, buying, singing, hearing, and again playing. So these are nominative because they are doing action. Because these nouns are doing action. Now, हे सगळे nouns हे क्रिया करत आहेत. वो action कर रहे हैं. ओके? तो इसकी वजह से वो nominative है. तो अभी nominative column में gender के हिसाब से article डाल दो. Hund का gender is male. Frau gender is female. Mädchen meaning is girl, I know, small girl. But the gender in German is neutral. Mutter gender is female. Studenten gender is plural. So according to their genders, please mention the article. I have already orally told you. You mention whatever I told orally over there with pencil. And then only write the article from nominative. And why we are writing from nominative column? Because in these 5 sentences, these nouns are doing action. So, in these 5 sentences also, we are going to write a nominative article. But why? You should know. Because in these 5 sentences, we are describing that noun. Hund is klug. Klug means smart. Hund means dog. Dog is smart. Frau is schön. Lady is beautiful. Mädchen is klein. Girl is small. Mutter is alt. Mother is old. Studenten sind intelligent. Students are intelligent. Yeah. So in all these 5 sentences, no one was doing any action, but still it is nominative. Still these nouns are nominative. Never say the sentence is nominative. Nouns are nominative in the sentence because we are describing Hund over here, Frau over here, Mädchen. So whenever you describe anything, you describe it and it becomes a nominative. And then write the article from the nominative column. Now second concept is accusative. Accusative means direct object, that is direct object. Now in all these sentences you can see Hund, Frau, Mädchen, Mutter, Studenten again. But we don't have to, we are not concerned about these nouns at present, because these nouns are nominative, we already know, because they are the doer of the action. We are now concerned with object. Object, I don't mean to say non-living thing. I'm not talking about non-living thing. I'm talking about something or someone on whom we do action. Yeah. So we are doing action on Ball, book, Musik, Lied. Lied means song. Musik, Klavier. Klavier means piano. So we are doing action on them. Students can play piano. Piano cannot play students. So of course this is a doer of the action and this is the on whom we do action. Mother is hearing music. Music cannot hear mother, students. So music is not a doer. Mother is a doer. We already wrote the article according to nominative, but we are concerned with these blanks, and these nouns are accusative nouns. Why? Because we are doing action on them. Football. We are doing action on football. If football is playing, Hund means if football is a doer of the action, of course it will be nominative. But here football is not a doer. Football is not taking dog and throwing somewhere. But dog can take football and push it or throw it. Yeah. So Hund is a doer and on this we are doing action. So these are accusative. So when you write the article, it should be from accusative column only. I'll show you the accusative column which you saw before also. As you saw, accusative column, then the, thus the. So according to the gender, we will write, whenever the male gender is there, we'll change it. Otherwise, same articles, but you should know the concept is different. Fußball, gender is male. So what article will come from accusative? Then, book, neutral. So thus, Musik is female. So the. Lied is neutral. So thus, Musik, the. Klavier is neutral. So thus. Then comes the dative concept. As you can see down, 3 examples. Dative meaning is receiver. Yeah. So over here you can see wherever the blank is there, these nouns are the receiver in the sentence. They are the beneficiary. उनको benefit मिलने वाला है. So Frau gibt. Frau is giving book. To whom? Man is receiver. Of course you cannot take man and give to book. आप लोग man को लेकर book को नहीं दोगे. Book को लेकर man को दे सकते हो. So man is a receiver because it is receiving book. So whoever is receiver, try to write the article from the dative column. Yeah. You already saw the dative columns, them, their, them, then. According to the gender, please mention the article. Man is male. So what article will come from the dative column? And why it is dative? Because man is receiver in the sentence. Mädchen is neutral. It's girl, small girl, but it is neutral. Doctor means daughter. It is female. So mother is buying clock for daughter. So daughter is going to be receiver. So it is dative. So nominative means doer. Accusative means on whom we do action, and dative means receiver. If means never say the sentence is nominative. In the sentence, like you can see in this sentence, Frau is a doer, so it is nominative. So we wrote the article from nominative column for Frau. Mann is dative because he is a receiver. So we wrote the article from the dative column according to the gender. And book is not a doer. It is not a receiver also. So we wrote the article from the accusative column. So never say whole sentence is nominative or accusative. In the sentence, some part of the noun is nominative, one part of the noun is accusative, and the other is dative. Try to solve this whole thing with the explanation. Try to explain me in the audio form if you are able to send me, and write this in your classwork notebook. Write the answers with the pencil properly. Write the genders which I have mentioned orally, and then solve it.